Hi TJ, how are you?
Yes, bro, I'm good.
Bro, have you tried metro here in Qatar?
No, I haven't tried.
Hello, what's up guys? This is your Zaid here. Today I'm gonna show you how to ride metro in Qatar. I started my recording from Azizia metro station, which is located in front of Villaggio. When you are traveling the metro, please don't forget your Ethras application, travel card and your face mask. And if you can wear your hand gloves, that will be much better. If you never ever traveled in metro, these are the following steps that you're going to follow. And still there are some safety measures. You must take care of your garment in the escalator. And at least follow 2 meters social distance. And here is the place that you are going to show your Ethras application. I will show you the way how to top up your card. You can find two options in the system, one is new travel card and one is top up travel card. After pressing the top up travel card, you can place the card there. Press your top up amount and insert the amount from this side. When you are inserting the money, make sure it's not folded. And wait 5 seconds. And the transaction was successfully completed and you will get the balance from this part. And if you need a receipt, you can press yes or no, yes, and wait for the receipt. You will get the receipt from the down part. A trip will cost only 2 riyals and you will see a sliding gate. Place your card there and the gate will be open for you and you can walk through. There are 3 lines of metro roads. One is gold, green and red. Azizia station is in the gold line. And you can see the metro timings in the screen. Every 5 minutes you can find the train here. Each and everyone follows the social distance in the metro. And now we are going to Measure Up station, that is the head station, where you can change your boarding. You can find red line and green line. Each and every stop you can find in the display. And you will get a special announcement about the locations. As I told you before, each and every informations are mentioned in the signs. And if you need more assistance regarding the location, you can just directly ask the metro staffs. And this is the red line. We can go from here to Lusail or Wakra. And this is the green line. And I will show you the green line until the Hamad Hospital station. And this is until Mansoura to Al Rifa. If you read the signs properly, you will not be confused. Now we are in green line going to Hamad Hospital station. You need to tap your card again when you are going out. And exactly we reached the Hamad Hospital station and it's inside the Hamad Hospital. Thank you for watching the video guys. I hope each and everyone enjoy the video. What I want you to do guys is like and subscribe